Yo, yo, what is good, my dudes? Since probably 99% of traders are dudes. Trading recap. Today it's the next day. It's 7 p.m. On my schedule. I still have to make a video about the trade I made yesterday. So let's do that real quick. Made a little quickie. Little quickie. Little quickie. Let's go over. This is the gold trade. This was the successful trade. We had a wick in the order block, so we broke structure, or we broke structure right here. So this was the low. We wicked inside of the low, or inside of the order block right here. Then we closed below the rejection. And then I entered. I entered at the bottom of this candle. It rejected all the way back up and then came all the way back down. And then it rejected on this low right there. So you know my friends are cooked, bro. Yo. Like, that shit is crazy. Can y'all see that shit, bro? Yo. Alright, but that's the gold trade. I took 2 trades yesterday. I saw this beautiful short, absolutely gorgeous short, crazy opportunity to play to this low. That's max though. My first take profit would be here, second would be there, third would be, you know what I'm saying? But risk $20, or I risked 18. How much did I risk? Or how much did I lose? I lost 20. Okay. So I risked $20, but we saw this wick in a fair value gap. It wasn't valid. I knew it probably wouldn't play, but the chance of risking $20 to make 9 fold. How much? What did I enter? We can go on here to get the correct entry. So the original stop loss was like right here. So like almost 9 fold, but $20 was up here, so I just risked 20. I wanted to risk that, and then I put in like 15, but it over leveraged on accident. But yeah, we could have went 9 fold. So I was just risking 20 to make like 9 times 20. Alexa. Oh shit. What's 9 times 20? $180. So I could have made $180 on this trade if it fold played, and if I didn't take profits. But a lot of money. It was definitely worth the risk. I knew it wasn't gonna play. I just was like, why not enter? You know what I mean? But yeah, then it came all the way up, took out liquidity. It met this high, and then it rejected. It rejected, and then it came all the way down. Took out. Actually, the break of structure is all the way down here, because it never retested the high. I wouldn't have entered up here, but it did take out our first take profit this low, which is good. We're still looking for shorts here though, since we're high and on these highs. We just need a break below a rejection level, which is gonna be here. But yeah, we just need to break below there, and then we can target this low and then this low. But that would be a nice trade to look at today's London session. But yeah, those are the two trades, gold and USD CAD. I was break even on the day. Last 24 hours, I lost 24 cents. Interesting day. These are the days I like though, when it gives me good moves, because I had some markets. When I mark them out, we can go on the hourly. This is how I trade. I mark out hourly highs or hourly lows for it to react on. We have this high, we reacted on it. Boom. It's starting to go down. We had this low yesterday, but there was news. We had this hourly high, it reacted on it. Look at, oh my god. What the fuck? I missed the move down. It came up, took out this high, and then, bro, that's just a strategy at its finest. Like, what? We reacted with the high, and then we just fucking plummeted. But that's how I'm gonna start trading now. I'm gonna look at highs and lows on the 1 hour, and then see if they got reacted on, or if they're going to get hit, and then I'll look at a reaction on them, because 1 hour highs are very high liquidity highs. So normally high liquidity highs are the ones that get good reactions. Like here, it got close to here. We saw a break of structure on the 5-minute, which was right here. We came back up, filled the order block, closed below. I would have entered right here. Boom, put the stop loss right here, and then targeted the rejection for an insane 7-fold. But we're slowly going down. We're probably going to get a nice retracement back up, but yeah, this strategy I think will work better than my other ones, because last time I was just like cluelessly looking at the market, looking for a break of structure, even in consolidation phases on the 1 hour, because now I'm not looking at consolidation phases, because like, look at that. Like, this was around 2 a.m. all through London session, and even going into New York session, it was just consolidated. I would have looked at this and been like, I'm gonna catch the move down, and yeah, you know what I mean. I'm looking for like trend that's already going on, or that's already reacted on a high, or that's going to react on a high. You know what I'm saying? I'm just marking it out. This did come up and take out a high, but it rejected the lower and then came back up. But it took, all these are, it took what? It hasn't even like go to the downside, but it took after it broke through 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 8 hours just to come down to the line of the high. But now my strategy is marking out the highs, seeing if it's gonna get reacted on, and if it does, then I'm entering on a short or a long. And yeah, I think that will be my strategy. It's kind of like a support and resistance type of thing, but the best way to like trade is on Forex is lows reacting to lows, highs reacting to highs. You can get beautiful trades on those. See, high right here, high right here, high right here, and all of them are getting reacted. All of them are getting respected. Low right here gets respected and goes up. Low right there, low gets respected, goes up. But this is a very bearish market, bro. You can literally see, like, the pattern gets created over and over again. Boom. Breaks through. It's the same pattern. Up, down, 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 up. Like, that is insane. It's just all these lows are getting reacted on. This level, this high gets reacted on over and over again. These two highs got reacted on. Like, everything just reacts on each other. Like, there are price levels where, honestly, I feel like, okay, I'm gonna tell y'all something, bro. Okay, I need to look at y'all face to face. I think I chose the wrong strategy. Support and resistance on higher time frames. Not support and resistance. Alex G Trades. Whoa. Alex G Trades does, like, search him up, you see how he trades. He does this type of stuff, like left head, right shoulder. He does this, like on like the 4 hour. What the fuck? He probably entered along on this shit, or I don't think, does he trade gold? I don't know. I don't think he trades gold. But you see all the lows reacting. He would mark out, this is an area, like with a box, this is an area that price would want to retreat to and then react off of. He would mark out all these areas because they're all at a price where, like, the market is saying no. You know, that's a wall. We can look at one of his videos, definitely. Alex G. Yep, Alex G. Okay, that's not it. Right here. Does he post his trades on here? No, he doesn't. What the fuck? Trades. There we go. Now this is how he trades. Oh my god, I forgot he went bald. But see, he does
The return of Area 51, Alienware's highest performance desktop yet.
All right, ladies and gentlemen.
He lost this one, but you see he's on the 4 hour time frame. He does these high, like high time frame moves over like a week. He only trades like max 3 times a week. And then he can see trades setting up a week before. And you're not like in the moment, like you have time to do it. And it's so simple. His strategy is simple. But he has these boxes that he marks out where price reacts on, and it's more likely to react on. You see all these highs lined up, all got reacted on, probably gonna react on it again, more likely. Like, it happens so much. Look, these highs, boom. These highs, boom. These highs, boom. These lows, all 3 of them. These lows. I mean, you can see it all over the market. These 3 lows. These 2 highs. Like, you see it everywhere, bro. On every single time frame. No matter what. We can go on the weekly. Fucking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 highs getting reacted on. Like, I picked the wrong strategy. But now I'm morphing my strategy into it, since I'm going on the 1 hour and marking out high liquidity highs, which a high liquidity high is this one and this one and this one down here. This didn't get reacted on, so it went up, took out this high. Now it double rejected on them, on the high. Now it's probably going to go to the downside. That's probably going to be the continuation of this trend, or it's going to react on this low and break through these highs and target all these highs to the upside. We can go on the 4 hour. This low might get reacted on, since it has fucking 3 lows. Look, 3 lows. Might get reacted on and go to the upside, or it might give a retracement up to this high liquidity high, and then go to the downside again, taking out more liquidity. Like, liquidity is such a huge part of trading. If you don't learn what liquidity is and how it works and how to mark it out, then you can't catch the big trades. You'll be just catching small trades and small losses, and like you gotta mark this shit out, and you gotta look at it for like, bro, like, this shit is so simple, bro. 3 lows. We can go on GBUSD, reacted on this high up here, rejected, broke structure, double lows, we can go double highs right here, triple highs right here, just kind of breaking through and rejecting, until it took out liquidity to the downside, and then rocketed up. You can see double lows right here, double lows right here. Like, it just happens all the time. Like, we can go on weekly again. Took out liquidity and went to the upside. Double highs right here. Double lows right there. Like, it just happens every time. Like, there's so many times where highs react on highs, and then lows react on lows. Like, I can go through this. Low react on low. These 3 lows are lined up. These 2 highs are lined up. 2 highs, 2 highs. Like, look at this. And then retreats. Like, that pattern shows up so much, and that's his trading strategy. He trades off of this pattern. I don't know, how would it look to the downside? It would look like this, right? Like, say, so it's going down, retreats, and then boom, reacts on the low, and then boom, reacts on the high, and then goes to the downside, right? So, like, the low reacts on the low, and then the highs react on the highs, and then it just goes kind of like with a liquidity sweep, kind of like liquidity sweep to the downside, and then I don't know. I don't trade with that strategy. I'm not going to, after I spent 3-4 months learning a strategy, but I'm going to implement a liquidity more into my strategy by marking out hourly highs and hourly lows for it to get reacted on. If it doesn't get reacted on, it's cool. Now, this didn't get reacted on, so it's probably going to react on this one. It's probably going to react on that one, or it's probably going to react on this one. More likely, because look, double highs on this, so it's gonna come up all the way up here, and then now we're gonna target this hourly low since that low got made. Like, liquidity is just everywhere. Just everywhere. And I'm gonna implement that. Sorry for yapping for so long. It's fucking 20-minute video. I said I was gonna make a short video. But yeah, today I lost 24 cents. Unfortunate, but I'm excited to implement this into my strategy. A little bit more understanding into the markets. I'm going to what am I gonna do after this? I'm gonna make the thumbnail of this video, and then I have to study the trade that I made at London session yesterday. By the way, I'm done with school, so that's sick. I will have to work out after this, and then probably take a shower, and then I'll clean my desk probably, because I clean my I try to clean every day no matter what. But yeah, and that's pretty much it, because we're done with school. And watching TJR trade recap, he does SPX 500 or what? XPX 100. Wait. XPX. What is it, bro? I don't know. He trades Nasdaq though. He trades Nasdaq. But he doesn't trade how I trade, so why would I watch him, you know? He taught me good things. He taught me good strategy to trade with. But on Forex, you gotta trade like that. Even his strategy, he marks out like 30-minute highs and 30-minute lows to get reacted on, but that's not high enough liquidity, and sometimes you lose. So now I do 1 hour liquidity. But yeah, his strategy on Forex is support and resistance. But his strategy on SPX, which that's the only time when he's doing a trade recap, because he only trades on XPX and Nasdaq, he doesn't trade like me, you know, even though he taught me everything. He taught me liquidity, he taught me my entire strategy. But peace out. I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. I enjoyed making this. Hope y'all enjoyed listening to whatever I had to say. And hopefully y'all intercourse liquidity in your guys' strategy too, because I've already proven to you guys that lows react on lows and highs react on highs. It just matters where the highs are, or which high is getting reacted on and which low is getting reacted on. Yeah. And just wait for that high to get reacted on, wait for that low to get reacted on, and then enter that rejection. And then most of the time you'll get in a good trade. That's what I'll be doing for the rest of my trades. You'll see it happen tomorrow too. Or yeah, tomorrow, because that's when I'll make the video. But yes, I've been yapping too much. It's 23 minutes. Goddamn. Alright, love y'all. It didn't stop recording.